close the digital divide and improve academic performance throughout our school with our partners.
Partners like inspiredu, providing laptop computers for 36 families at the school system's Family and Community Learning Workshop.
Having digital equity, having access to technology, having access to those resources, regardless of the scenario, grandparent, it might be a single parent household, even now with a 2-parent household, you need technology to be successful.
Some of our parents and grandparents, they're not as savvy, so we're so glad that we have these partners that are patient with them to go over the devices and these educational games and resources that will help those students do a better job in the classroom.
Joining SCCPSS and inspiredu was local manufacturer Hyundai Motor Group and our local Live Oak Public Library system, spreading the word of the assets they can provide to this partnership.
We have all kinds of digital tutoring programs that are available for kids of every age and many languages.
You won't know the opportunities that are available for your students unless we partner together, right? And so a partnership's a two-way street.
We thrive with our community partners. So when we speak to the school, we ask them, hey, what do your families use for resources? Who do you guys go to when they don't have access to technology? And one of the first things that Mr. Clyde said was our library system.
So we're able to share free tutorials. We're able to provide hands-on service right there at the library if you need help. We also will loan you a hotspot.
The hotspot is the key to connection, a chance for all involved to stay connected to a child's educational progress.
Parents need to be involved in their children's education. The more they can be involved, the more we can equip them with information that will help the students do better in the classroom. Then that's a win-win situation for all of us.
For SCCPSS, I'm Ken Slatz.